In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the Affirm credit card. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using the Affirm credit card is extremely simple. It is a process that you must do through the latest version of the Affirm mobile app. So before starting, I would highly recommend for you to go over to the Play Store or the App Store and double check to see if you are running the latest version of their app. Once you have the latest version of the app, open it up and sign into your account. To use their credit card, you are going to have to go through an application form that can be done directly through the app. So if you look at the navigation bar at the bottom of your screen, you will be able to find the card category. Go into the card category or tab and immediately you can start the process of applying to use the Affirm card, and once you are satisfied, you will have access to all of the details about the card, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. You will see the amount available for you to spend on any store using this card at the top of your screen, and you can add the card to a digital wallet such as the Apple Wallet or the Google Wallet. By copying these card details whenever you proceed to checkout anywhere that credit cards are accepted as a payment method, you will be able to pay using the Affirm card. In order to manage all of your expenses, you simply have to go into your account page or select Manage at the bottom of the screen, and you will be able to pay off any amount after you use the card. When you finish any purchase, you will have the ability to choose from one of the available payment plans that they offer, and it is extremely simple to do. Everything is managed through the latest version of their app, and like I said, you have to apply through the app when you go over to the card tab. You will have to meet some requirements like being 18 years old or older, living in the United States, having a social security number, an account, and maintaining a good repayment history with Affirm. I hope I was able to help you on how to use the Affirm credit card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.